I've been using Craft, Notion, and Obsidian for a while now. These are three popular productivity tools. I'll break down what each one is, then compare them to help you pick the best one for your needs. Let's get started. First up, we have Craft. It's a sleek, Apple-focused app for note-taking and document creation. Think beautiful, minimalist design with a focus on visuals. Perfect for writing polished docs or brainstorming. It's got offline support and works great on Mac, iPad, and iPhone, but it's less customizable and not as feature-heavy as others. Next up, we have Notion. This is your all-in-one workspace. It's cloud-based, super versatile, and excels at combining notes, tasks, and databases. With templates, real-time collaboration, and even AI tools, it's a powerhouse for teams or anyone who loves organizing everything in one place. Finally, we have Obsidian. This is a markdown-based app for personal knowledge management. It stores notes offline, links them in a cool graph view, and offers tons of plugins for customization. It's ideal for deep thinkers who want control over their data and don't need fancy visuals. So, how do they stack up? Craft shines for solo users who want a simple, elegant experience, great for writers or Apple fans. Notion is the king of collaboration and versatility, perfect for teams or managing complex projects, and Obsidian wins for privacy, offline use, and connecting ideas. Think researchers or note-taking nerds. Craft's limited on features, Notion needs internet, and Obsidian has a learning curve with Markdown. Pick Craft for beauty, Notion for teamwork, or Obsidian for depth. That's it, guys. Check the chart below for a quick recap, and which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.